header designing. In this video tutorial we design this menu div tag. It is in our demo pages look like this. So let's write our CSS code for this header menu part. First of all, we need this sorry, my bad, it's Command C. Display flex and align item center. Okay, and next part, I can write for this image and add 3 target from this class, but in this time we'll write a image class separately. And here we need a space or margin from right and left. So here, as you can see, there's a separate divs. In this div we have the same classes. If I write a code for this class, it will automatically implement for R. Let's go here, right margin right 20 pixels, margin left left 20 pixels. If I reload, now here is coming. Okay, next step, we have to design our images same like this in a circle. For this I will write here image class. The name is, let's say, menu list item. First we need a border. So this border is say 3 pixels, solid white. If I reload, so okay, the class the border. Okay, if I type here border radius, %. Okay, it's working, but sorry, some border here, the spelling mistake. If I reload, that's working. So it's near to this, only the size difference. Height, say 180 pixels. Okay, perfect. It's very near to our demo page. The next step for the titles. This title, so H3, we have to, let's make it H1. Select, selecting all by command click. So under this div we have H1 div class. Under this div class by this class we have h1. For this the color is white, and font weight 100, font size so make it 25 pixels, margin top 0, go to browser and reload. Let's get to our demo. Font family we have to change. Family, surface, and if I reload, that's very near to our demo page, only some pixels difference. And next thing, if I hover this image, so opacity. Okay, so hover, opacity 0.7. Okay, also here the cursor is pointer, and make it a little bit increase. Perfect. Okay, it's completed our, now we just complete this header section, and already we completed our navigation or navbar. So next tutorial we'll design this section for add download button and this logo and title. So see you in next video tutorial.